Hello, welcome to FX 20 Pips. I started this with the calendar chart of the news results for the US CPI. Um, Basically, just going to give you some context before we go on to the chart. All right. So the US news came out. Right. Um, so the CPI was lower as expected. It's lower from the previous one. Okay, so it drops from 6 to 5.7%. So there is a sort of a cooling down of the US inflation. Okay, but guys, you need to remember this is still a figure of 5.7, which is still high. Okay, and this is excluding the food and energy calculations. All right. If you were to include the food and energy, it's basically 6.5. Okay. It's still a drops. Okay, but the Fed is looking at 2%. All right. Feds want the inflation to be down to 2%. Okay. And the other figures that the Feds are looking at are the worker side of things. So the jobless claim, there is a drop, okay, from here, right? Basically, what this means is that um, lesser unemployment claim. That means there are more workers working, okay. So the jobless claim 4 weeks also drop compared to this one, and jobless claim January 6th drop, okay. All right. So when all these figures is dropped from a previous, that means um, there are more workers working. All right. And when there are more workers working, people are earning money, people will be spending money in the economy. And the Fed is trying to control this side of things. Okay. They should be quite happy that these figures has dropped, but then the worker side, there's still a lot of people employed and working. Right, so this is the context for you. So let's go into the chart. So here we are. Currently it's 2 a.m. GMT plus 8. New York is about 1 p.m. now. So you look at the chart, all right, and you see this um, long bullish candle, long bearish candle. See all the wick, right? And you will realize now, if you have not, that on any day with news, all your charting, okay, will be out of scope. That means all the trend lines doesn't, you know, doesn't make sense. This trend line, now seems redundant because the price just went up and down. Okay, now let's remove the trend line and then let me explain what's going on. If I try to explain, if I can try to explain. Okay, this one, uh, this is the 9 p.m. candle. The news came in at 9:30. So let me go down to the 30 minutes chart for you. Right. Okay. There we go. So this is 9. Let me just check. Just a second. So this is 9 o'clock candle. This is 9:30. This is 10 o'clock. All right, okay. So at the 9 o'clock candle, I believe the time that is nearer to 9:30, so this could be like 9:29, uh, 9:27, 9:28, 9:29. The price starts dropping. Okay, you can see from this wick here. All right, and then at 9:30, when the news came in, all right, I remember watching the price went up a bit, and then it came all the way down. All right, and then it shot all the way up. Okay, why does this happen? Seriously, I don't know. Basically, some computer, some institutions, I would believe many will be the computers, you know. So they fed with this CPI data, and then the first initial reaction was um, the US currency strengthened, and that is why GBP USD dropped. Okay, and then for whatever reason, as more figures come in, it then shot back up again, right? Now, interesting part is this: at 10 p.m., okay, which is 30 minutes after the bullish, it started to go down, all right, all the way back here, right, and then it ends at 11 p.m., and then here from 11 p.m. onwards, it's slowly going up, right, and it has been going up ever since. Okay, now if you have not look at my pre-London video on the 12th of January, please go and take a look, because a lot of things is happening as per what I had said. First of all, let's go and have a look. Remember I talked about the liquidity on my GU weekly analysis. Also go and take a look at the video. Okay, I talk about liquidity to be taken up here. All right, and it did took up liquidity to the point here. That was at the 9:30 candle. All right, 9:30 to 10 o'clock candle. All right, so this one took up the liquidity and went all the way down. Okay, if you also look at my pre-London 12th of January video, I would have described to you a channel. All right, not sure whether if you have not looked at the video, go have a look. I talk about the channel and where price will come down, and see where the price from the news it came all the way down right to this channel here, bottom, right, and then it shot all the way up and come down the second time. All right, so sometimes it happen, sometimes it doesn't, but that's my point here, is that you need to keep drawing your chart. All right, I have also talked about the block which I draw in pink on the same video, 12th January. I think I mentioned about some blocks here. Right, and I also mentioned about some blocks right here. Okay, and you can see how price came up one time, two times. All right, Is it coincidence? Is it I was just lucky? I don't know. Actually, I don't care. Whatever you say. The thing is, keep plotting the chart, all right? The channel, the blocks, and then it could come useful, especially as you can see during news, and then you react accordingly. Okay. Now, we're just going to go through the 30 minutes. All right. I did not do any trades when the result first came out. Okay, I waited to see the reaction. It went all the way down. I did not buy here. Okay, because of the um, better news from the jobless claim. Okay, I was expecting the price to drop further down. All right, but it did not. Okay, it just keep going up. So I was watching the price. Okay, and then I go up to as it start to slow down. I mean, at this point when it was about 10 o'clock, an hour into Frankfurt closing. All right, I took a more in, I took in more interest about it, and this is what I saw. Okay, I saw that um, price went to the top, and then the next candle came down. All right, and stop here. And the next thing is I keep buying down. Okay, I started to sell. All right, I think I closed a few trades, and then as I see this bullish candle, I close a few trades. Okay, and then when I see this um whatever name you call it, okay, I don't care, but basically what I'm looking at is a bullish candle with no follow through, and there is a wick where the sellers start coming in, and then I sold more again. Okay, I think I keep selling somewhere. All right, and especially the break of this sell zone. Okay, I keep selling, and I took profit about this area. Okay, all right, because I'm not expecting it to go further down. All right, so I think I sold a few here, sold a few here, and then I took profit from here. Okay, so how many pips is here? From the bottom to the top. Okay, 153, bottom to top. If you are able to catch the bottom to top, most people won't be able to because price move very fast. Okay, and then this is a remember it's a bullish 153 pips, bearish 153 pips. So that's what's about 300 pips of movement. Okay, 300 pips of movement. How many pips did you get? Okay, this is what I mean. 150 up, 150 down, now another 150 up. This is crazy day. All right, and let me show you what I got. Okay, so this is what I did. Um, these are my entry price. This is for yesterday, which is this date, 12. All right, 12. Because of my time GMT plus 8. All right, and yeah, this is when I sold all the way here, here, here. I can't remember where, and I was just looking at a candle, and then I just keep adding to my trade, to the winning trades. Okay, just one small tiny loose here because I think it's the uh, bullish candles amongst the bearish one. All right, so I just close it, and then when it start coming down, just sell it again. Okay, so all this is about 300 pips here. Okay, so you add to your winning trades, you get the down for about 300 pips. Okay, if you are so good to catch the top and the bottom of this candle, you have to get 150 up, and then provided it come down another 150, then you only get 300. Okay, but then if you keep adding to your winning trades, see, you can get more pips there. All right, so basically that's what was trying to show you. Is the main thing is that just hang on. Yes, basically was the main point was that to tell you that price has cleared the liquidity here. um, Price respect the channel. Okay, and block, maybe, if you want to say, and then now price is back up here. All right, so this is the post CPI video. I'm just going to explain to you. All right, that should be all now. Yeah, I'll try to put some links, or I believe because this is the first time doing the YouTube video links. Okay, I try to put in the links when I explain to you when I talk about the price clearing the liquidity and the 12 January videos. Okay, link will be up there. Otherwise, that's all for now. Uh, Catch you again tomorrow on the Friday the 13th. Okay, Friday the 13th, I'll do a pre-London GU chart plot again. Right. Thanks for watching.